Welcome to our in-depth review of Uni-Miner, a highly versatile and efficient cryptocurrency mining platform. Whether you're just starting your crypto mining journey or are an experienced miner, Uni-Miner provides a powerful solution to optimize your mining operations. The platform's intuitive design ensures a seamless experience, allowing users to monitor and adjust their mining activities with minimal effort. One of the standout features of Uni-Miner is its support for multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular altcoins. This flexibility allows miners to diversify their portfolios and maximize profitability in a dynamic market environment. The software is equipped with advanced tools such as real-time monitoring, customizable hash rate allocation, and energy efficiency optimization, ensuring every user can tailor the setup to their specific needs. Uni-Miner also integrates seamlessly with hardware ranging from basic setups to high-performance mining rigs, making it accessible to a wide audience. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is another critical aspect of Uni-Miner. The platform employs state-of-the-art encryption and authentication methods to safeguard users' data and funds. Additionally, its transparent reporting and analytics tools give users a clear picture of their mining activities, helping them make informed decisions. Uni-Miner is not just about mining, it's about building a sustainable and profitable crypto operation. By offering a combination of user-friendly features and high-level functionality, the platform caters to both hobbyists and serious investors in the crypto space. Don't miss out on the chance to explore the full capabilities of Uni-Miner. Subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and stay tuned for more insightful content on cryptocurrency tools and strategies.